When to suit up, using formal English. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning series. Today we're going to tackle an important aspect of conversational English: understanding when to use formal language. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer idea about the different situations where using formal language is appropriate and even expected. Formal language is a style of speech or writing that's usually characterized by longer, full sentences, advanced vocabulary, and a generally more polite and restrained tone. Think of it as your Sunday best of language. It's the type of language you would use when you want to make a good impression, show respect, or discuss serious subjects. One of the most common settings where you would use formal language is in professional or work-related situations. This includes job interviews, business meetings, or professional emails. When you are communicating with your boss, your colleagues, or your clients, using formal language shows that you take your job and your relationships with them seriously. Academic settings are another place where formal language often comes into play. When you're writing a research paper, making a presentation, or having a debate in a classroom setting, using formal language shows that you have a deep understanding of the topic and that you respect the intellectual nature of the discussion. Special occasions like weddings, graduations, or award ceremonies often call for formal language. When you are giving a speech, making a toast, or congratulating someone on their achievements, using formal language adds a touch of solemnity and respect to the occasion. Interacting with authority figures often requires formal language as well. When speaking with people like police officers, judges, or government officials, using formal language shows respect for their positions and can also help ensure that you are taken seriously. Remember, understanding when to use formal language is key to communicating effectively and appropriately in many situations. As we discussed today, formal language is particularly important in professional and academic settings, as well as special occasions and interactions with authority figures. Practice these skills, and soon you'll be able to switch between formal and informal English with ease. Thank you so much for joining us today. We hope this lesson has been helpful in your English language learning journey. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.